Hey everybody, Ben Maestas here. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you a very brief tutorial on how to speed ramp using Final Cut Pro. Let's go. This is an installation named the Venetian Wall, one of a few glass installations on the Bridge of Glass here in Tacoma, Washington, featuring work by Dale Chihuly. This bridge connects downtown Tacoma to the Museum of Glass via a bridge spanning the I-5 freeway. This footage was shot in 60 frames per second to get that nice cinematic slow motion effect. By adding a few speed ups, we can really feature the slow motion of a few areas in this clip. I have chosen to feature a glass flower at the beginning of the clip and a plaque at the end. With a few simple edits, I can show you how to take your clip from this to this. Once you select the area of your clip that you want to feature, with your clip selected, you want to press Shift B before and after the area that you are trying to highlight. I'm going to speed up these sections by 20 times, and Final Cut will automatically add a seamless transition into and out of these areas. By enlarging the clip size, you can edit the speed ramps to the desired effect you are looking for. Lastly, I will do any last edits to make sure the clip is exactly how I want it. Let's look at that clip once more, this time adding a letterbox for that added cinematic effect. So that's it for me today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below on what you'd like to see from me in the future. If you'd like to see a lot of speed ramp examples, I'll leave a link here and at the end of this video for you to check out. See you in the next video.